Hey, welcome to another module, and today we're looking at the differences between on-site SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. So looking at my site, digitalmarketingradio.com here, let's have a think about the differences between on-site SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. So on-site SEO focuses on making the whole website all at once as efficient as possible from a search engine crawler perspective. So you want search engine crawlers to be able to crawl through your site, get through it fast and efficiently, and also make the whole experience of crawling through your site for visitors themselves very efficient and nice, a nice experience. So what I want to make sure here, first of all, is the website is very, very quick to load. So then it's the quality of the server, and it's also the quality, as we've touched on earlier on, of the mobile experience as well. So you want the site to be fully responsive and the whole website to respond very, very nicely indeed to all different types of devices. It's also doing things like ensuring that robots know to crawl certain pages or not to crawl certain pages. And that is getting in a little bit more into technical SEO, and it's probably beyond the remit of an introduction to SEO course. But suffice to say that the important facets of on-site SEO revolve around ensuring that your site is easy for search engine robots to understand. So what's the difference between on-site and on-page SEO? So if I click through to one of these pages on the site, I can see that I've got a page title here, which is audio recording equipment, Colin Gray, and I've got content down there as well. But on-page is all about ensuring that search engines understand what each page is about by, first of all, targeting certain keyword phrases to pages. So in every title, I've got a different keyword phrase that I'm going to be targeting to try and rank on Google. And this is a long-term objective. It's not necessarily going to happen overnight, because at the time of talking, digitalmarketingradio.com is a domain that's only about 6 months old, and it takes a while for that authority to build up in Google. But that doesn't mean that you can't be working on your SEO, and it is indeed very important to be consistently ensuring that you're targeting the correct keyword phrases at pages. So on-page SEO is about ensuring that there's enough content that's unique on your pages, that the keywords that you're targeting, or hopefully just the one keyword phrase, that your one primary keyword phrase that you're targeting per page is focused on the right places. And don't worry, I'm going to be going into this in a little bit more detail further on in this module. But I mean, that's on-page SEO. And what's the difference between on-page and off-page SEO? Well, off-page, you're hopefully encouraging other people to talk about you and link to you. Now, I've made this page and it's actually an interview with a chap called Colin Gray, and I've told him about it, and hopefully he will then share it with his listeners or his subscribers. So that's a way of driving traffic and hopefully maybe even a couple of links back to the site. I've also got a click to tweet here as well. So it's a quote from Colin, and that will encourage people to tweet about it. And then once people tweet about it, perhaps another blogger will find out about it. And then if they like the interview, maybe they'll talk about it and link to it themselves. So that's a way of naturally building links. And that is offsite SEO. Offsite SEO is trying to get mentions of your page, brand citations, and also links back to your site. And again, we'll cover that in a little bit more depth later on in this module.